How to add sound effects to TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on your TikTok. Now tap the capture button to take a photo. Then, go to the edit options on the right side of the screen and tap on the icon as shown. Here, you can edit the photo as well as add sound, text, effects, captions, etc. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Sound. Then select Sound Effect. Here, you can view all the available sound effects on TikTok. Explore the different sections and select an effect of your choice. Then tap on Use beside it. Then tap on Next at the top right corner. You have now successfully added this sound effect to the photo. You can also add a title here or manage other settings before posting it. Following these steps, you can easily add sound effects to TikTok.